Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2016 Ford Mondeo 2.0 TDCi Zetec, finished in sleek black with a comfortable cloth interior. From the side, the silhouette is smooth and flowing, sitting on 17-inch alloy wheels for a balanced and composed stance. Electric folding mirrors and a rear tow bar add extra versatility for daily use or weekend getaways. At the rear, it's a clean and simple design with sharp taillights and practical features built in. Rear parking and towing are made easy thanks to the fitted tow bar. Powered by a 2.0-liter TDCi diesel engine, this Mondeo delivers solid performance and excellent fuel economy, perfect for long commutes or family road trips. At the front, the Mondeo makes a smart first impression with its bold grille, swept-back headlights, and aerodynamic design. Subtle chrome accents and clean lines give it a refined executive feel. Inside, the cabin is spacious and user-focused, with well-cushioned cloth seats and an intuitive layout. Everything you need is right at your fingertips, designed for comfort over distance. In terms of technology, you get Bluetooth, DAB radio, built-in navigation, and an easy-to-use infotainment system that keeps you connected wherever you go. In the back, there's generous legroom and a comfortable setup for passengers, making it ideal for both short runs and longer drives. In the boot, there's loads of space for luggage, shopping, or everyday essentials. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161 399 1629. Quote registration YP16DZD to book a test drive or request a personalized video tour.